The Renault Clio has been a staple of the supermini segment for decades, but with the market shrinking, is there still a future for it? Well, Renault seems to think so. The fifth generation Clio has been around since 2019, and now a brand new version is in the works. So what can we expect? Let's find out. A few months ago, spy shots of a heavily camouflaged prototype surfaced, likely taken somewhere in Spain. The disguise was so thick that it made spotting any design details nearly impossible. However, from what we can see, the overall shape hasn't changed much. Renault's designers seem to have taken inspiration from other modern models in their lineup, meaning we can expect familiar styling cues on both the front and rear. Inside, expect all the usual tech-focused upgrades, including a refreshed cockpit and the latest advanced driver assistance systems. Renault is keeping the Clio modern, but there's one big thing that's staying the same. This new generation will still run on internal combustion engines. The 2026 Renault Clio will feature a range of petrol-powered engines, varying by market. The 1.5-litre hybrid setup from the current model is expected to get an upgrade and carry over to the new version. But will there be an electric Clio? Some sources say Renault might offer a battery electric variant, while others suggest the lineup will stick with hybrid technology to keep emissions in check. With the Renault 4 and Renault 5 EVs already in the pipeline, an electric Clio remains uncertain. So when will we see the next Clio? It's expected to debut in early 2026, ready to take on rivals like the Volkswagen Polo. While many details are still unknown, automotive designer Avavari recently shared some renderings based on the prototype sightings. The CGI model showcases an unusual front fascia, at least for a Renault, but the rear design looks like an evolution of the current model. Could this be the final design? Only time will tell, but what do you think? Would you want the 2026 Renault Clio to look like this? Let us know in the comments. That's all for now on the upcoming Renault Clio. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates on the latest cars. Thanks for watching New Cars Technology, and we'll see you in the next one.